Hey there, and welcome to Morning Affirmations to start your day. Begin your day with intention and positivity by embracing these powerful morning affirmations. Let's get started. I am grateful for this new day. Gratitude sets the tone for a fulfilling day. I welcome today with an open heart and mind. Openness invites new opportunities and growth. I am in control of how I feel today. Empowerment begins with your mindset. I choose to focus on what makes me feel good. Positive focus attracts more positivity. I am capable of handling anything that comes my way. Confidence in yourself turns challenges into stepping stones. I am filled with energy and enthusiasm. Vibrant energy drives success and happiness. I trust in the process of life. Trust brings peace and clarity. I am worthy of all the good things that happen to me today. Self-worth is the foundation of a joyful life. I radiate positivity and attract the same in return. What you give is what you receive. I am centered, calm, and in control. Inner peace leads to outer harmony. I believe in my abilities and express my true self. Authenticity brings fulfillment and respect. I am resilient and can overcome any obstacle. Strength lies in your ability to persevere. I embrace change as a pathway to growth. Change is a doorway to new possibilities. I am surrounded by love and support. Connections with others enriches your journey. I am proud of who I am and who I am becoming. Self-acceptance fuels self-improvement. I attract success and abundance. Your mindset shapes your reality. I face this day with courage and confidence. Courage opens doors that fear keeps closed. I am open to new ideas and opportunities. Openness brings innovation and success. I release all fears and embrace love and joy. Letting go of fear makes room for happiness. I am deserving of everything good in life. Self-belief paves the way for a life of abundance. I trust myself to make the right decisions. Your intuition is your most reliable guide. I am focused, motivated, and determined. A clear mind leads to clear results. I forgive myself and others, releasing any negative energy. Forgiveness is freedom and a pathway to peace. I am creative and inspired. Creativity fuels progress and innovation. I deserve to be happy and successful. Your happiness is your birthright. I trust in my ability to create a great day. You are the architect of your day. I am a magnet for positivity, love, and good fortune. What you attract reflects your inner state. I am grateful for the abundance that I have and the abundance on its way. Gratitude multiplies your blessings. I am in perfect harmony with my surroundings. Harmony brings balance and peace. I see the beauty in every moment. Appreciation makes each moment more precious. I am confident in my decisions and actions. Confidence drives you towards your goals. I radiate success in all that I do. Success is a reflection of your belief and effort. I'm at peace with my past and excited for my future. peace with the past allows joy in the present. I am kind, compassionate, and understanding. Kindness creates a ripple of positive change. I am in tune with my inner wisdom. Listening to yourself leads to wise decisions. I am capable of achieving greatness. Greatness is within your reach, starting today. I choose to be happy right now. Happiness is a choice you make every moment. I am constantly growing and evolving. Growth is the essence of life. I am worthy of respect and love. Your self-respect earns the respect of others. I am grateful for all that I have and all that is coming to me. Gratitude opens the door to endless blessings. Thank you for joining me today. As you move through your day, carry these affirmations with you, letting them guide your thoughts and actions. Each positive statement is a step toward a day filled with purpose, joy, and success. Remember, the mindset you cultivate in the morning shapes the entire day ahead.